Hey crafters, it's me, Jen with Quality Crafts, and this is the card for week number 171 sent in by Judy Basile. For some reason, user error, I didn't hit the record button. I actually forgot to start it, or I missed the click somehow, and I didn't get any of the footage creating this card. I got the footage of everything after, so when I actually clicked to stop recording the video, I started recording. I feel really bad, but I don't want to skip over this because there's just going to be a hole in our series. So basically what happened was I got this really cool background paper, some red colors, and some other different color papers. And what I did to make this match better, you can see where there's like the mint green that matches this paper and this ribbon. I used a little finger dauber, this one, and I used the color Cracked Pistachio in oxide ink, and I just rubbed on in the background where there was some colored, like lighter colors, whitish kind of, and just created that green, that mint green in the background so that everything would come together. And then this yellow piece I realized matched this gold, and so that's how I came to put it together. I had a really long ribbon and I couldn't like wrap it around to make a bow, so what I did was underneath this piece I glued down this ribbon, and then I took the leftover and I made what looks like kind of a bow. It's just basically you take what you have and you make a knot and it looks like a cute little bow. It's an easy way to use little scraps and put something really cute on there. And then this pearlized paper I stamped with Make-A-Wish in VersaFine Onyx Black ink. So I stamped that and I glued them together. This piece is popped up with a strip on this side and a strip on this side of foam so that it goes over the top of the ribbon so that it doesn't make a super big bump. And that's how I finished the card. I didn't put anything on the inside, but I do have my information stamped on the back. So this is going to go out to Judy Basile. And Judy, I am so sorry. I apologize that I can't go back in time and show you exactly how I made that. But I do hope that you love the card and that you'll forgive me for making that big mistake. But anyway, I didn't want to skip out on it. This is week, again, number 171. So have a great rest of your weekend. Thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you again on Wednesdays and Sundays. And I cannot wait to see you guys next video.